welcome back to our last month at LANX. Sorry, let's do that again. Today we are shooting for our backdoor content for the summer sale. No? I'm sorry, I'm dead nervous.
I mean, you said all the right words, just in completely the wrong order.
Okay, today we are filming content for our backdoor summer sale.
Nailed it.
Is that alright?
Yeah, that's cool.
Well, I've brought backup prop a little bit more. I've brought a selection,
And maybe boots as well, because they'll be taller.
Well, I also think we just have that, because you're not going to get any brighter than the boxes.
Yeah, LANX in the centre, but we put shoes on top and around it.
Yeah.
No cameras, thank you.
The talent has arrived.
Where's my caravan? Is this it?
Did you pick this up from a vintage kilo thing? Just going to do a spot check on the traffic. Won't be a second. We're all clear over here. Got no issues.
Right, bracelets off.
2025, summer back door. Take one.
Rolling camera.
Keep coming.
This is landscape.
4 pairs.
Yeah, we're getting them all.
Yeah, we're getting them all on.
You want another loop?
We've got Wigan Warriors joining us today, so just getting the shirt in place. Got 3 of their brilliant players, so we've got Cade Ellis, Jay Field and Cruz Lehman. Going to try some shoes on, going to get some belts made for them. We're going to have a good day of it.
Hey, Jade. Hi mate, Jay, how are you?
I think it was all kind of just, we were just
Oh yeah. Probably not these.
No, so
Boots, gamblers.
Oh yeah. What that?
Back or whatever.
Any blue lasers got these. Yeah. And then it's French car flip.
Yeah.
it's easy when people see what you are.
One might win something.
What is this for next year?
Rather than an actual suit.
They're nice. Very nice.
Using that machine then, we're grafting the leather over and across the toe. So that's sort of the stiffest bit. Doing that by hand would be an absolute nightmare. Next process would be to side last it. What we're doing is we're taking a pair of heel pliers. So that's a hammer and a plier. You pull that over and then tap it in place. So once you've done that, you've got a fully sealed closed upper. Once that's done, you then have to rough all that up, take off all the excess. You've then got essentially a void there which needs filling, and then a sole going on. Once you've done that, you've got finished shoe.
Finished product.
Cheers, Rob.
Thank you. Very cool. Thank you, mate.
Thank you appreciate it. Thank you. Very much. Thank you, Rebecca.
Thank you.
Happy day off.
Good promo. Very good promo, yeah.
Thank you.
No,
Thank you very much. See you soon.
Welcome to Team Sport Indoor Karting. Once you are checked in, please head through to level 1.
Fastest drivers of tonight, taking third place, Angus. In second is Alex. First is Tom. Alright, so thank you very much for racing with us today. Bar is open.
Good morning, everyone. Hope we're all well. I'd like to invite Dee up to do her pony.
This is more of a nod towards in repairs.
Well, sure, it's true, they're not like new. The soles have worn a hole or two. The shine is gone, the leather's rough, the sides are cut, the toes are scuffed. One lace is missing, one's in a knot. I guess the heels don't look too hot. But otherwise, they're hard to beat, and I love the way they fit my feet. So please, LANX Repairs, fix my shoes and save my wallet from having to buy new.